A, to je ta velika jadrnica.
O, ja. Je velika, ne?
Ja.
Ja.
To pomeni, da bomo mogli zdaj kaj angleško govoriti, ne?
Ja, fajn bi bilo, da boste vse razumeli, ker so pač jadralci so iz 11 različnih držav. Če se hočete z vsemi pogovarjati, je najbolj že kar po angleško, tako tudi mi med sabo.
A to, ki je bilo?
Ne, zdaj jih je, recimo za regato jih je 18. 11 je pa različnih držav. 18 je za vsako, kadar se tekmuje regato. Drugače imamo več jadralcev, v naši ekipi je 24, ampak za vsako regato jih pride 18.
Zakaj pa je toliko ljudi na jadrnici?
Zato, da lahko dvignejo jadra, zato, da lahko izplujejo. To se v bistvu vsak ima svojo vlogo. Eden se mora odločati, en mora gledati za veter, en mora gledati za vreme.
A ima jadrnica kakšne spalne prostore?
To boste pa videli, ko prijemo gor. Hello, dober dan.
Hello, hello.
To je naš kapitan, kapitan naše ladje. To je Leon.
Hello. Hi, Pika.
Pika. So now you talk English with our boat captain and you can ask him anything you like.
Okay. How big is this sailboat?
The boat is 100 feet or about 30.5 meters. So one of the biggest sailing boats, racing boats in the world.
How we will get to the boat?
Well, it's very easy at the moment because we have the boat alongside the dock, so we can just climb on board over the rail. But for coming off the boat, then we have a rubber boat that will come alongside and you'll be able to step down into the rubber boat and come ashore.
How much is the possibility to fall off a boat and drown?
Luckily, it's very small. We have rails around the boat which protect us from falling overboard, and everyone is very aware. But if you do fall overboard, we have some life rings at the back. You can pull the trigger, they inflate, and the life ring will go out behind the boat and hopefully you can grab it. Outside there, 1 foot first, yep, and then the other, over, good.
Are you all professionals here?
Yes, yes, because it's such a complicated boat and everything is very high loads, then all the crew is professional. They are the best crew in the field.
Is the sailboat now fully ready?
Yes, it takes a little bit of time for us to set the boat up initially, but now we've got the mainsail up, the sail at the back, and we've got the jib up, and we're sailing very nicely. There's only 4 knots of wind, but the boat speed is 9 knots.
What did we just do, Marie? Can you explain them?
Yes, we just performed what we call a tack, because a yacht cannot sail straight into the wind. So we have to go about 45 degrees to the wind and then tack and go 45 degrees and go backwards and forwards working into the wind.
Vi se rad morja dotakniti. To je bilo dobro. Zdajle ne smeš, veš, ker mi smo mi imamo vlogo na jadrnici in mi smo teža. Razumeš, mi smo ko vreče krompirja zdaj. Tako da so trenutki, ko kakšen kilo prav pride, ne, da si malo težji.
This is the kitchen. This is the kitchen.